Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can refresh your For You feed on TikTok. So guys, if you're using TikTok and the For You feed on TikTok is feeding you videos that you're fed up or you don't have any interest in watching those kinds of video and you want to refresh it, like you want to watch some other kind of content, so all you need to do is to refresh your For You feed and you will get some other kinds of content that will maybe interesting for you. So how you're going to get it? All you need to do is to tap on your profile on your TikTok, and then you need to tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then in the setting menu, you need to tap on setting and privacy. On this page, setting and privacy, all you need to do is to scroll a bit where you will find content preferences. So you need to tap on that one. So guys, here you will find refresh your For You feed. You need to tap on that one. And here they say want a fresh start. So what they will do, they say we will show you popular videos to launch your new feed, and all the other things here that say that your following feed, profile and inbox won't be affected. So all you need to do is to tap on continue if you want to continue, and then this message will appear. They say ready to refresh your feed. And if you're ready, then you need to just tap on refresh because this action cannot be undone. So if you're sure, then tap on refresh and your For You feed on TikTok will be refreshed. So guys, this is all it takes to refresh your For You feed on TikTok. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.